Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain chapter 2 lesson 5 factoring by using special identity, page 68. In this topic we have two cases. The first one is about identifying and factorizing a perfect square. The second one is identifying and factoring the difference of two squares. Now I'm going to explain the first case, which is about perfect square trinomial. Okay, how you can recognize if the question is perfect square trinomial. We have three conditions. The first one, it has to be three terms, consist of three terms. As you can see here we have three terms in both of them. The first and the third term, here and here, must be perfect square and positive. Okay, the middle term, it equals to 2 times the factor of the first term and factor of the third term. Okay, not the second one. Yani 2 times. For example, in this example, 6x, it has to be came from 2 times factor of the first one, it will be x, times factor of the last one, it will be 3. 2 times x, 2x, times 3, it will be 6x. So it is correct. How you can factorize it? X turned back to x, negative positive, it will be negative. 9 turned back to 3 power 2. This is how you can factorize perfect square trinomial. Okay, let's solve some example. This one is a perfect square trinomial. Yes, consists of three terms. The first one and the last one perfect square and positive. The middle term comes from 2 times factor of the first one, it will be x, times factor of the last one, it will be 6. 2 times x, 2x, times 3, times 6, it will be 12x, sorry. This one, it consists of three terms. Yes. The first one and the last one perfect square and positive. Yes. The middle term comes from 2 times factor of the first one times factor of the third one. Let's see. 2 times factor of the first one, it will be 2x, times factor of the third one, it will be 3. 2 times 2x, it will be 4x. Okay, 4 times 3, 12x. So yes, it's correct. How you can factorize it? How you can factorize this one? 4x power to turn it back to 2x. There is negative positive, so it will be negative. 9, it will be what? 3. Parenthesis power 2. This is how you can factorize perfect square trinomial. This one, it consists of three terms. You have to check if it's perfect square trinomial or no. Consists of three terms. Yes. The first one and the last one perfect square and positive. Yes. The middle term, let's see. 2 times. Okay, factor of the first one turned back to 2x, times, and here we have 1. 2 times 2x, it will be 4x. 4x times 1, it's equals to 4x. But here we have 4x. No, so it is not perfect square trinomial. The last one consists of three terms. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Both of them are positive and perfect square. No, they are perfect square. But the last one, it's not positive, it's negative. So it's not a perfect square trinomial. The second case about how to recognize difference of two squares. It consists of two terms, the sign. There is minus between them. Okay, this one, 9x power 2 minus 36 is a difference of two squares. Yes, both of them are perfect square and there is minus between them. How you can factorize it? It will be 3x minus 6, 3x plus 6. So pay attention. When you factorize perfect square trinomial, it will be only one parenthesis. You have three terms, so it will be one parenthesis power 2. But difference of two square, you have to factorize it to two parentheses. One of them is minus and the other one is plus. Okay, in this topic I have three questions. They ask about find the missing term. In this case you have to recognize if it's perfect square trinomial. If it's yes, you have to factorize it. Let's solve this one. Consists of three terms. First one and the last one perfect square and positive. Yes. So how you can factorize it? The middle term comes from 2 times x times 2, yes, it will be 4x. How you can factorize it? It will be x, negative, positive, negative, 4, turn it back to 2, then power 2. Okay? Now, this one you have to recognize if it is difference of two square, yeah, consists of two terms and there is minus between them. How you can find the missing term? Okay? For example, always use the rule 2 times factor of the first one, it's x. Factor of the last one, we don't know. It has to be what? Equals to what? 14x. Okay. 2 times x, 2x. Okay. 2x times what? Equals to 14x times 7. Right? But as I told you, first term and last term must be perfect square and positive. So it will be 7 power 2. 7 power 2 equals to 49. Pay attention. For the middle term, it's easy. 2 times factor of the first one, it will be 3x, times factor of the last one, it is 5. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5, 30x. Okay? You don't need to say power 2. Only in the first term and the last term, you have to say it's power 2. Now this one, 2 times factor of the first one, we don't know, times factor of the last one, it's 9. Let's see. Equals to what? Equals to what? 2 times 9 times what? Equals to 36. Of course, times 2. Then power 2, it will be 4. And there is y, so it will be 4y power